1, 2, 3, go.
Hi everyone, this is Dan Bauman, and I am happy today to introduce and invite you to my new website, danbauman.com. I thought I would get real original with that, so yeah, here it is. It's kind of funny having a website for me. I actually bought the domain name about 10 years ago, and yeah, now I am launching a website. As I launch this website, my hope is just to keep you all informed of where my life's at, what I'm doing. Many of you have asked and wondered, where's Dan, what's he doing? My hope is that this website will help you with that. As well, on this website, I want to provide you with some teaching videos, updated blogs, and different interviews I've had. Feel free to check it out and see what's available for you. My hope is to update it regularly, hopefully once a week. Hopefully it won't be as long with my next update as when I first got the domain name, but we'll see. But I'm glad to be with you, glad to open up this to you, and I really hope that this not only will be a blessing to you, but my deepest hope is that this would help all of us come closer to Jesus, find Jesus, look to Jesus, discover Jesus. As we walk forward, especially into this fall of 2011. Anyway, enjoy looking around. Have a good day. Bye-bye.